YouTube, I am back with another video. So in this video, it's going to be pretty short, quick, and to the point. I was sitting here retwisting my hair because I'm going to Chicago in the morning, so I wanted to redo the top row, but I also wanted these to look fresh because as you can see, a lot of them are frizzy. So you can see how my hair is starting to be obvious, and I already did this side. I touched it up and I did not take them down. Well, I took 2 down and I realized I didn't have to, so I'm going to show you how you can revamp your twist without taking it down, and it's very quick, so just keep watching. So as you can see right here, I'm just showing you how this side is very frizzy and on this side is very slick and sleek, and the twists are sticking together, and that's because I already revamped this side. So I'm just going to show you how you can keep your twists up and make them last longer throughout your style.
So as you can see right here, my hair is frizzy, sticking out, starting to look old, but it's not really that old. So I'm going to be using this Jam Gel. This is the Moisture and Shine Gel, Mega Hold. It really doesn't matter what you use, but just try not to use edge control. Try not to use edge control down your hair. Try to use it only on the base, on the roots. So I'm going to use this gel. I'm going to grab a big clump, like about that much, and I'm going to go into the twist and retwist it, adding that gel onto my hair to slick it back down to blend in with the weave. And once you get past your hair, you are good. You see it? It's shiny and it's back slicked down, not sticking out or anything like that. And so you just want to do this to whatever braids you have that are frizzy or starting to look bad, and you don't want to take your twist all the way down. So this will really, like, every time you do this add a whole nother week of life to your hair.
So now you're just going to see me repeating those steps for the next few braids. I'm just going to continue to finish the other half of my head, and then I am going to do new twists in the front, but I am going to reuse the same hair that I used before. So if you just continue watching, you'll also see how you can achieve this style in general. And as I'm finishing up my last one, I hope you guys can tell that this was super quick. And so now I'm going to show you how I did the front. But just look at these twists. Now they're shiny. The only thing that looks a little messed up are the bases, which are the parts, but that's fine. I had 7 twists up there and I wanted 8. And then I also wanted it to just look like I really just did my hair, and I didn't. And like I said, I'm going to Chicago in the morning. So as you can see, don't mind it being white, it'll go away. But as you can see, I already parted out my 8 twists. I don't know why, don't judge me, but for some reason I love when I run out of products. Like when it comes to hair products and I run out of something, I get so excited deep down inside, like I used it all. So that's neither here nor there, okay? So like I said, I'm running out of this, but I'm going to use it until it's completely gone. Like, y'all see that? Look at me using products, not wasting money. And I'm reusing the hair that I took out because you see how nice they still look? That's why I'm saying, like, there's no reason to take these down. Like, there's nothing wrong with this hair. I just need to touch up my hair, and then that's it. Here I'm just showing you the oil that I use to moisturize my hair. This is some Africa's Best herbal oil. You can use it on your nails, skin, you can use it in a bathtub, on your body, whatever the case may be. And I am starting off the twist, and I am just showing you what I am doing. So I will show you a slow motion soon. Twist this hair and twist it. Twist that hair and twist it around. You're going to continue that twist as you twist motion the whole way down, and at the ends I am going to burn it, so you will see that part as well, and I'm going to do this all the way through. as I jam, of course. Oh, and one more thing that I did forget to mention, I start and end with braids. So I start with a braid at the base and that adds security, and then I end with a braid at the bottom and that helps me to seal it. If you are a kid, you will not be burning anything. Don't say I told you to burn a thing. You better use rubber band. And here's the slow motion that I was telling you guys about. So as you can see, I am starting off with a braid, and as I get about 3 braids down, 3 strokes, whatever you want to call it, I split the hair. I split my real hair into 2 because I've only split the weave into 2 to begin with. So I only started with 2 pieces of weave, used my hair as the 3rd piece, started braiding. About 3 strokes down, I split my real hair into 2 to match the twist, and then I started twisting, and I used the twist as you twist method the whole way down. Just look at that twist, y'all. Oh, it looks good. So this is the last one from what I took out of my hair. Okay, so remember, I only had 7 twists in the front to begin with, and I had used all the hair that I had. So when I went back to the beauty supply, they did not have the same color of the same brand of hair that I had, so I had to get a different brand. So as you will see coming up, I am going to be using one completely different brand for this one twist all the way in the front of my hair. So let's see how this works out. And if you know, you know. Right now, we can already see there's an issue coming. Oh, I got a dumb face right now. Just look at this. Look at this. I done cut that hair in half, and now it's too short. But it ain't too short, baby. Watch this. I know what I'm about to do. I'm going to just add some more hair to the bottom. Period. That's it. Hold on. Bam, baby. There we go. All you gotta do is be a little creative. Use a little bit of ingenuity, and there you have it. An extendo piece. And that's how you get it done, little mama. Use what you have to get what you want. Alright, so I'm about to do the last twist, so I'm going to get a close-up so you can see how I'm starting to braid off. Starting off with 2 pieces of weave, and my hair is the 3rd piece. Braid, 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 start twisting. The video's not quite over yet, but make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and subscribe to my channel and check out all my other hair videos on my hair playlist. I've touched it up. Hold on, let me do my edges. All right, y'all, I am back with the final look. So here it is. They just look good. They look good. They look good. They look good. Hey. Hey. So yeah, they look real good. I am so excited about how good they look. Say see y'all later.
Bye.
Alright y'all, thanks for watching. The camera's about to die anyway. Love y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Peace.